I'm the art director here at Shopping Cart Elite, and today I will introduce you to our new master template system which we recently released. So, what is the master template system and how does it work? Unlike other web design templates out there, we created a dedicated system to take the traditional way of template creation to the whole new level. The traditional way of template creation is very strict and does not live alongside the ever-changing web trends. Just imagine this. Wouldn't it be great if your web design would be so smart and organic to keep itself up to date all the time? Well, we actually achieved exactly that with our new way of the template distribution called master templates. Master template, in other words, could also be called a live templates. Unlike other templates out there, our master template system is very well organized and grouped into different portions or sections of your website. These sections are header, side menu, footer, content area, and your general background. And most importantly, subtemplates does not intersect with each other because they are strictly separated with a dedicated class names and IDs. Each master template is designed uniquely and is centralized in our system. We update and maintain each master template in the background and constantly keeping it in sync with your website. Example, if a new website feature or module gets released, we will also update all our master templates with appropriate styles, resulting in your website to instantly get new and beautiful design features with no additional coding or designing required. And because our master templates are so well organized and separated into different sections, it's very easy for you to go into our system under the settings and just choose different parts from a different templates which you want to include on your final design. So for instance, you can actually take just a header part from the master template 1 and a footer from master template 3 and combine them into your own unique template. There are a few rules which you will have to follow in order for our master templates to work properly. First, it's very important that you do not change or remove the active templates files which you will find under your file storage or FTP server. These files are constantly being updated by our system, so if you do change them, they will initially go back to the original state that came through the master template system. So for that, we do have a dedicated editor where you can edit your CSS files and jQuery files, but I will show you this a little bit later. Since we still do support our old themes system, you will first have to disable the old system and enable the new master template system. To do that, you will have to open your active theme under your website settings, themes, and click on your active theme. And then you will see a new tab called templates. Open that up. And here on the left side, you will see all the sections which I talked about earlier, along with a few drop-downs and checkboxes. So first you will have to disable the old theme system by clicking on the disable the compatibility use, and right above this you will see all the sections with all the different master templates. So if I go in and just start syncing the master template 1, I will check all the portions and set them as master template 1. So next I will save and open up my website. And now if I refresh my browser, the master template 1 will instantly show up. Okay, let me go back to our SE application. And on the right side of the window, you will see a user CSS box. Here you can put in any of your custom CSS. And next to this, we have another tab called plugins. And under plugins, you will be adding all of your JavaScript. So if we go ahead and create one new plugin, I will create a new plugin, assign it as a JavaScript tab, and I will choose only to render this plugin on homepage and put in my sample JavaScript. And this is how you inject JavaScript. So if I go back to the user CSS box, and for CSS we also do have a way to select a specific page where you would like to your CSS to be rendered. And this can be done by calling a body tag classes, which are inside our documentation, which are right here. And here you will see that each of our pages that exist in the system will have a unique class name, which you will call before you will call your class name. So for instance, if I only want my header changes to appear on the product page, I will call this body.product class space, and then I will put in my initial class and do some test CSS changes. Let me save the window. And if I refresh my browser, you will see that the header changed just on the product page. So to see the rest of the body tags, you will either have to open up our documentation and find them here, or you will have to inspect the website and find the tags under the body. And next thing is the importance of settings. If I go under the website settings and see the layout settings, if I open that up, you will see that we have a list of all the system pages. And if I click for, let's say on homepage, I will see my header module right here. And if I click on this one, I will see all the settings that can be applied or changed on the header module. So if I disable all of this and save, and if I go back to my website and refresh, you'll see that all the modules got new positions. So you can get a quite different look with just playing around with these settings. Next, I will showcase the real power of the master templates by going in my themes again, and under the template tab I will select a portion from the master template 2 under just my header. So if I go back and open up my website again, and if I refresh, boom, you will see that only the header changed to the master template 2 and the rest of my page stayed as it was before. So hopefully you can see that with just a few clicks and a few combinations you can get a quite different looks with just picking up different templates. Each master template also has a built-in visual library. If you see our documentations, you will see the list of all the visual elements which you can call in your custom HTML and just use the styles instead of spending long hours working on your own CSS. Also, there is a way to design your own custom master template. To do that, you will have to open up your themes, and under the template tab you will set the synchronizations for all the portions to none, and also make sure that all the checkboxes are still checked. Next, you will open up our documentations, and if you scroll down you will find a start kit. And after you edit all of these files, you can upload them on your file system, and also make sure that you ungroup them so all of your files will be in root. Unlike in a starting kit, you will see that all the portions are actually in its own folders. So make sure you remove all these folders and just put all the files in one folder. So these were the basics of how our master template works and how you should use it. For any more in-depth information, please refer to our documentation, and I hope I'll see you soon.